The substr method extracts a section of a string starting from a specified index and extending for a given length afterwards. So it's going to take two parameters. First one is a starting index, second one is a length. So this length is nothing but it's going to extend the particular string to the given length. For example, let's say I'm going to say 2. So here I'm going to say 2 as a parameter. When I save and run, what is going to happen is going to start from the index. What is the second index? In this case, L. So from L, though I'm just passed only one parameter, so it's going to print starting from second index towards the end. So when I refresh this one, it's going to print love apu. In case if I pass the next parameter, let's say 4. So this 4 is a length. So from second index, we are going to print another 4 characters. So meaning O, V, E. So when I refresh this one, it's just going to say L, O, V, E because the length is 4. So when I say length is 5, what is going to happen? Let me just save and refresh. It's going to be L, O, V, E because there is a space in between. So second string, so the starting index is 2. The length of the string is 5. So meaning L, O, V, E is 4. Then there is a space. So that is the reason why there is nothing as printed. So if I say 6, length is 6, so it's going to include A at the end, as you can see them there. Again, this substr method, it can take negative value. For example, if I say let's say negative 3, let me save and refresh, it's going to print the last 3 values, negative 1, negative 2 and negative 3. So this is how substr method would work in JavaScript string objects.